Zebec originally set out to solve a very real and very outdated problem. How money moves in the modern world? Traditional payroll systems rely on batch processing weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments that reflect an era where financial infrastructure was slow, rigid, and heavily dependent on intermediaries. Zebec challenged that model by introducing streaming payments, a system where value moves continuously in real time rather than in delayed chunks. Instead of waiting for payday, employees can earn and access their wages every second they work. This is not just a convenience feature, it fundamentally changes how cash flow, budgeting, and financial planning operate for both individuals and businesses. Employers can fund payroll streams directly from treasury wallets, maintaining full visibility and control over outgoing funds while eliminating inefficiencies tied to legacy systems. But what makes this innovation even more powerful is that the underlying primitives, continuous payments, programmable rules, and automated treasury management extend far beyond human payroll. These same mechanics naturally align with the emerging needs of autonomous systems and AI-driven operations. Imagine an AI agent responsible for managing a company's digital marketing. Instead of relying on manual approvals, delayed reimbursements, or fixed budgets locked into accounts, the agent receives a real-time streaming allocation from a treasury wallet. This budget flows continuously, governed by predefined rules. Spend limits ensure that the agent only interacts with approved platforms such as ad networks, analytics tools, or content distribution services. Every transaction settles instantly using stablecoin rails, removing the delays and friction associated with traditional payment systems. Once configured, the system operates independently. There is no need for constant human oversight because the rules themselves enforce discipline, compliance, and efficiency. This is where Zebec's design begins to reveal its deeper significance. It is not just about faster payroll, it is about programmable finance that can operate autonomously. AI agents are rapidly evolving from experimental tools into production-level systems, capable of executing real business functions. They can analyze data, optimize campaigns, write code, and manage workflows. However, intelligence alone is not enough for these systems to fully integrate into the economy. They need the ability to transact securely, instantly, and within controlled parameters. Zebec provides exactly that missing layer. Beyond spending, autonomous systems can also become earners. An AI agent performing tasks such as data analysis, automation, or software development could receive payments streamed in real time as work is completed. Instead of relying on invoices or milestone-based payouts, compensation flows continuously and stops automatically when the task ends. This creates a direct alignment between output and reward, eliminating disputes and inefficiencies. Over time, this model can extend even further into machine-to-machine economies. AI agents could transact directly with one another, setting up payment streams tied to specific tasks or services. One agent might provide data processing, another might handle execution, and payments would flow seamlessly between them based on predefined conditions. There are no invoices, no billing cycles, no delays, just continuous, programmable value exchange. What makes this particularly important is that it is not a speculative concept. The infrastructure already exists. Zebec built it to solve human payroll inefficiencies, but in doing so, it created a system perfectly suited for autonomous financial interactions. Streaming funding ensures that resources are always available in real time. Treasury controls enforce boundaries and governance. Global payment rails powered by stablecoins enable instant, borderless transactions. Together, these components form a financial layer that is both flexible and secure, exactly what AI systems need to operate in real-world environments. As AI agents transition from experimentation to deployment, the primary bottleneck will not be intelligence. That problem is being solved rapidly. The real limitation will be infrastructure, specifically how these systems access, manage, and exchange value. Without programmable finance, even the most advanced AI remains constrained. It can think, analyze, and decide, but it cannot act economically without friction. Zebec removes that friction. It enables a world where financial interactions are as dynamic and continuous as the systems driving them, where budgets are not static allocations but living streams, where payments are not events but flows, and where both humans and machines can participate in the economy with unprecedented efficiency. This is the quiet shift happening beneath the surface. Not hype, not speculation, but a practical evolution of how money works in a programmable, automated world. For creators, builders, and forward thinkers, this is the layer worth paying attention to. Because as AI continues to scale, the systems that power its financial interactions will define how far it can go. Satoshi Gai.